Only being beyond is good practice. True sound nature is the non-dualized, neither this nor that hot sound of silence. The silence of sound, the paradox of hot fire sound, realize. Don't think. Let it come from and let it go into the silent fire. Then burn, experience, and realize the profoundly free burn of sound as silence. The burn of silence fading into gone sound. Hear and see, through and beyond all appearances. All forms are formlessness. All formlessnesses are form itself. All sounds and noises are silence, emptiness, formless, soundless, resonance, and true own being, the blissful voidness itself. Pure sound awareness is realization, penetration, and knowingness. Hear, penetrate, and enlighten, burn into clear being. Is beingness, itness, isness, empty here nowness. Since silence and sound are one, not two, sound is meditation, samadhi. Silence is wisdom realization in fullness. Sound is primordial knowing of no thingness, emptiness. Silence is meditation, samadhi, into true heartful selflessness. True meditation is the silence revelation of original, non-self being.
Does silence have a sound?
It is sound. It's the old sound. And it's, as a result of being the old sound, is unhearable. But we know it's what it is. Then it might be the absence of silence, which is the presence itself of the real.
Is pure sound awareness the same as hearing?
You can hear pure sound awareness. Because you are pure sound awareness, whether you perceive it as such or not. So the yogis are into perceiving it in specific terms. Most people don't pay any attention to it. No. They can't even think of it because it's not where their attention is, for the most part. So they're not interested in pure sound awareness if they can hear anything at all. Say, for instance, music. That's all they need to hear. That's all they want to hear. That in itself may not be pure sound awareness. In other words, pure sound awareness doesn't have a sound, necessarily.
Are material objects part of sound?
Material objects as appearances are sound. The issue is whether or not we can hear such sound or appearance into emptiness, silence. And that becomes a matter of meditation and intelligence, and need to hear it beyond itself, or what it appears to be. The question is then, are you sound awareness? Or does that mean something relative to your ear, your body as a sensory receptor, or your guts, right, your feelings, or your heart, your throat, your mind, maybe even your eyes. Maybe your eyes hear better than your ears hear.
Can we get beyond the physical being and work from or be as sound?
We are beyond physical being. We are fundamentally etheric beings, spiritual beings, empty beings, functioning in the mode of materialized intelligence, consciousness, perception, awareness. And so we think we're the limitations of what we perceive or what the body perceives. So we determine who we are, what we do according to those perceptions, relative to time, space, energy, and matter, at the material level, earth level. But we're not that either. Okay? We're just using the earth body for the moment as a way of gauging where we are from a physical level. But that's not who we are, that's what we can do from that level. Okay? Close your eyes, you're at another level. Close your ears, you're at another level. Okay? Close your mind and you're at another level completely.